How do I grow a garden in sand? What do I amend with? And this is Beth Ann on Facebook. So how do you grow a garden in sand?
Well, we're talking Florida. In this or the coastal, any kind of coastal region.
Right.
Xeriscaping. You got to think of xeriscaping and drought-resistant plants that can survive in that kind of environment.
Okay.
Because you don't want to plant something that you have to water and water and water.
Right.
Especially out in the landscape. But to amend the soil with, try to do things that are native for that area, because then you won't really have to do too much amendment. Also, if you are going to amend, compost it. Use a little bit of compost with the soil. Try to get a little bit of organic matter somehow with the soil for the roots to be able to anchor in, and retain a little bit of moisture for a little longer. But
I would agree.
Go native. And again, a local extension office might have lists of plants that are native in her area that she could plant with those. Right.
Yeah. So I would amend the soil with some of the things you just mentioned.
Yeah.
Right. So compost.
Yeah.
Right. Some good organic material. Right. Manures. How about your green manures, like the cover crops? I would use some of that too. And of course, you would need to mulch those plants so it can help retain some of that moisture. So those are the things I would do if I want to grow a garden in sand. Yeah, because the drainage is there.
I got good drainage. You don't have to worry about good drainage.
You just got to put the organic material, humus in there, build it up. Because you want good nutrient holding capacity and good water retention as well. So that's what I would do, Beth Ann. That's what I would do. Interesting though.
Yeah, but look for native.
But look for,
because you might find something that you'll really like that will grow in more sand than what you're used to if you're new to having a sandy area.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.